Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to enable the dark mode on your Google Sheet mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the red color subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to turn on the dark mode or how to enable the dark mode on your Google Sheet mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, click on this three dot option, go to the setting option here, then you can see an option called theme. Just choose the theme option. Now you just want to switch to the dark. You can see the first option I just talking about. Just click on this dark option which actually turned into dark. You can see while you're just opening a new spreadsheet, even the spreadsheet also is in dark option. So this is how you just turn on the dark mode on your Google Sheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. If you're having any doubts, you just comment below. I just make a video about it. You can use click on this three dot option, click on setting, and you can just change the theme as a dog or whatever the theme that you want. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.